Yours just say, what's up, TransWorld MOTOcross? Welcome to Atlanta. What's up, TransWorld Atlanta? What's up, TransWorld? Welcome to Atlanta.
What's up?
How you doing, man?
Good.
How's the foot?
Broken? No, it's alright. It's getting better.
So, did you have surgery on it, or?
No, the one bone's almost healed, the other one's not quite healed yet. I got some x-rays yesterday, so a couple more weeks.
How long are you looking at?
I'd like to be back by Indy or Jacksonville.
And you're